For every Rockschool electric guitar grade, there's a section of the exam called Technical Exercises. And at the beginning of this group, there's usually some new scales to learn. In today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 scales that you need for the Grade 1 exam. Follow the timecode link below if you want to go to the quick version at the end. So first of all, you're going to need to be able to play 1 octave of C major, and it goes like this. Okay, so it's using some open notes in there, and I'm going to go through it step by step. Fret 3 on the A string. That's your root. 0, 2, 3 on the D string. 0, 2 on the G string. 0, 1 on the B string. Then come backwards. 1, 0. 2, 0. 3, 2, 0. 3, 0. Sorry, it's just 3. The next scale we're going to have a look at is the A natural minor, and it's really quite simple. Okay, so it goes like this. 0, 2, 3 on the A string. 0, 2, 3 on the D string. And 0, 2 on the G string. And then come back, 2, 0. 3, 2, 0. 3, 2, 0. So it looks like this. Nice and simple. Now it makes sense to group the next 2 scales together because they are exactly the same scale type, they just start from a different note. And in this case, they just start from a different string. We're going to play the E minor pentatonic. It goes like this. Open 3 on the E string. Open 2. Open 2. Okay, now come back down the same way you came up. It's worth noting, by the way, at this point, that when you get to the top of the scale, you should hit the top note and then start coming back down. I hear a lot of people do this when they're attempting their scales. Now, while there's nothing particularly wrong with that, that's not what's written in the tab in the book. So make sure you try and stick to the tab as best you can. Goes like this. And remember, there's no need to rush these. You don't have to play it fast for the exam, you just have to play it clean. Now, like I said, this next scale is the exact same one, but you're going to start it from the A string instead of the E string. So I'll go through it anyway. 0, 3 on the A string. 0, 2 on the D string. 0, 2 on the G string. And back down the way you came. Okay, there we go. Alright, last but not least, we have the G major pentatonic scale. So here's what it sounds like. Let's go through it step by step. Fret 3 on the E string. Then open 2 on the A string. Then open 2 on the D string. Then just the open G. That's your top note. And you're going to start coming back down. Now to summarize, and for those of you that wanted the quicker version, here we go through all 5 scales that you need for your Grade 1. C major. A natural minor. E minor pentatonic. A minor pentatonic. And G major pentatonic. And there we have it, the 5 scales that you need to learn for your Grade 1 Rockschool exam. I'm going to do a couple more of these videos in the future, particularly for the grades that my students are currently taking. It's a nice online resource for them to be able to look at whenever they like, but why not share it with the whole world? If you could just tap that like button and the subscribe button, that would help me out massively, so thank you very much to those of you that have done so, and I'm going to be back with one of these videos again very shortly. Thanks very much, my name's Rich, take it easy.